Hello, welcome to your educational lesson in Working Smarter. In this book, you will find 10 inventors. Let's learn about a few of them. Henry Blair was an inventive farmer who created a useful tool called the seed planter. He patented this invention in 1834. Blair's bead planter made it much easier to plant seeds in the ground, allowing farmers to plant them more quickly and evenly. Instead of doing it by hand, which could be slow and tiring, this machine helped save time and effort, improving farming efficiency. Blair's invention was significant because it helped farmers grow more crops, which was important for feeding communities and support agriculture during that time. John Lee Love was an inventive thinker who patented a special pencil sharpener in 1897. His patent number 594114 introduced a new way to sharpen pencils quickly and easily. Love's design was clever because it included a container to catch the shavings so they wouldn't make a mess. This made sharpening pencils much cleaner and more convenient. His invention helped students and artists keep their work area tidy while using their pencils, and it has influenced designs of many pencil sharpeners we use today. Thanks for listening. Be sure to learn more in your complimentary educational material. For more lessons and learning material, be sure to email us at timelessmindsbooks@outlook.com.